To make a man excited about you, you don't have to change who you are at your core. Of course, you don't have to pretend to be someone else, and you definitely don't have to play mind games. What truly excites a man goes far deeper than the surface-level tricks we often see on social media. Let me tell you what actually sets a man's heart racing, what makes him think about you, even when you're not around. What really catches a man's attention, and I mean really catches it, beyond just a pretty face or a nice outfit. What I'm about to share isn't your typical dating advice. This is about understanding the deeper psychology of what makes a man truly excited about a woman. So, stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could completely change the way he sees you forever. Yes, physical attraction matters. But here's the truth that might surprise you. It's not about looking like a supermodel. It's about how you carry yourself. It's about that spark in your eyes when you talk about something you love. It's about the way you take care of your health because you value yourself, not because society tells you to. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, when you take care of your body, when you move with confidence, when you genuinely love yourself. That radiates. Men don't just see it, they feel it. But here's where it gets interesting. You know what's even more magnetic than a beautiful face? A woman who laughs freely, who isn't afraid to be silly, who can turn a boring moment into something memorable. I'm talking about that genuine sense of humor that comes from being comfortable with who you are, when you can laugh at yourself, when you can make light of life's little mishaps. That's pure gold. Now, lean in close, because this is crucial. Intelligence is sexy. But I'm not talking about flaunting degrees or using big words. Intelligence isn't about quoting Shakespeare or knowing quantum physics. I'm talking about being curious about life, having passionate conversations, showing that your mind is alive and engaged. When you can hold a conversation about anything from world events to why dogs chase their tails, that's the kind of intelligence that keeps a man hanging on your every word. Let's talk about confidence. Real confidence, not the fake kind. It's in the way you carry yourself, the way you speak your mind, the way you know your worth without having to announce it. When you walk into a room knowing exactly who you are, not arrogant, just sure of yourself, men notice. They can't help but notice. Here's something that might surprise you. Your listening skills are like a secret weapon. When you truly listen, not just waiting for your turn to speak, but really hearing him, it creates a connection that's almost impossible to break. It shows you care about his thoughts, his dreams, his stupid jokes. It's not just about staying quiet while he talks. It's about being present. When you put down your phone, look him in the eyes, and engage with his words, you're telling him he matters. That kind of attention is intoxicating. Now, about your style. It's not about wearing the latest trends or the most expensive brands. It's about knowing what makes you feel like a queen. When you wear clothes that make you feel powerful, comfortable, and authentic, it shows. A man can sense when a woman is wearing something because she loves it, not because she thinks she should. But here's the game changer, the quality that turns attraction into addiction. Kindness. Your kindness, that genuine warmth that makes others feel seen and heard. It's like a lighthouse in a storm. I'm talking about the way you treat the waiter, how you help someone who's struggling, how you speak about others when they're not around. Kindness isn't weakness, it's strength wrapped in grace. When a man sees genuine kindness in action, It touches something deep in his soul. When you remember his mother's birthday, when you ask about his rough day at work and actually listen, when you show compassion to the waiter who messed up your order, these moments make a man's heart swell with admiration. Think about this. When was the last time you let your guard down and just were yourself? Because that's what men find irresistible. A woman who's real, who's authentic, who doesn't play games. They want someone who's strong enough to be vulnerable, brave enough to be honest, and secure enough to let them be themselves too. Remember this, the most attractive thing about you isn't something you can buy or fake. It's the way your eyes light up when you talk about something you love. It's your resilience when things get tough. It's your ability to stay grounded when life tries to sweep you off your feet. When you're truly comfortable in your own skin, when you're living life on your own terms, when you're radiating joy and confidence and kindness, that's when men don't just get excited about you. They become captivated by you. The truth is, what makes a man excited about a woman isn't just one thing. It's the complete package of authenticity, confidence, kindness, and that special spark that makes you uniquely you. Here's something most people won't tell you. Men are deeply attracted to women who have their own lives. When you have passions that light you up, when you have goals you're actively pursuing, when you have friends and interests that don't revolve around him, that's when a man thinks, I need to step up my game to keep up with her. Your ability to handle life's curveballs with grace, that's sexy. When things don't go as planned, and instead of crumbling, you adapt and maybe even find humor in the situation. That shows strength of character that's irresistible. The truth is, the most attractive thing about you isn't something you can fake or force. It's the real you, unfiltered, unapologetic, and absolutely extraordinary. Yes, your beauty and sexual appeal are likely the most powerful factors that attract a man, but in reality, that feeling is temporary as beauty fades, bodies change, and what seemed irresistible today becomes ordinary tomorrow. That initial spark of physical attraction is just the doorway. It's what lies beyond that doorway that keeps a man truly excited about a woman for the long haul. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Share your own experiences. What qualities have you found make men truly excited about you? And if this video touched something deep inside you, take a second to hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more empowering content like this and hit that notification bell, because we're diving deep into more raw, honest conversations about love, relationships, and understanding the male psyche in ways that can transform your relationship forever. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.